Check out this 2000 Subaru Forester L. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: two-tone paint, automatic off headlights, reclining front bucket seats, PWR rear gate lock, cruise control, removable rear cargo tray, tilt steering column, PWR door locks, headlights off via ignition switch and rear seat upboard headrests. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.